Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Fine? Fine. All are keeping well. So, children, let's start our class.
Yes.
So, children, we are going to start with a new topic today, that is 3.2, compare and order. Compare and order numbers. And I hope you have studied this in your lower classes. Compare. What you can compare? What do you mean by compare? Any idea? Compare.
Yes, ma'am. If a largest and smallest.
Which is large, which is small. Yes, children. See, if you can see two children are standing, we can say which is the taller one, which is the smaller. So there is a comparison between the height. Yes. And sometimes your father, mother used to compare between the friends, between you, they are studying more, they are studying, you are studying less, like that. I think your brothers and sister itself, sometimes the parents used to compare. Yes. Who is studying well, who is studying, that means more, less, because small, big. Okay, so that is a comparison. So here we are going to compare numbers. Which one is the smallest? Which one is the greatest? Yes, children? Yes, you have studied, I think, till 3 digit or 4 digits. So we have one more place, that is 5 digit number, that is 10,000 place. That is little more bigger numbers we are going to compare. That means we are going to compare and order. Order means what? We will arrange them from small to big or big to small. Now, children, is there any rules you have studied, that is to compare the numbers? Anyone? To compare the numbers, what we will do? Yes, Aradhya?
Ma'am, we will put the greatest number like this simple and
that is you are showing me the symbol, that crocodile mouth open. Yes, crocodile mouth open to, we are studied in smaller classes like that, crocodile mouth open to big side, open to big number, and the closed face will be to the smaller. And I'm asking now, is there any rules, which one, how do we know which one is greater and which one is smaller number? How do we know?
we have to check the first number.
To
check the first number.
First number. You have to check the first number. So, children, can I ask one question? So, Ajwa, I have number 12 and I have number 9. 12 and 9. Okay, which one is bigger?
12.
12. But if I check first number is 1, 9. How do I know which one is bigger?
Because in 12 there are
2 digits. See, children, first we have to count the number of digits. Okay, in 12 there are how many digits? 2 digits. But in number 9 there is only 1 digit. Okay, so first what we have to do, children, we have to count the number of digits. So which number is having more number of digits, that number is bigger. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? Yes? Yes.
Yeah.
Now, children, if we checked which one is more digits and which one is lesser digits, we understood the number with more number of digits, that number is bigger. But if both the numbers have same number of digits, what we will do?
We have to
one by one. Raise your hand and tell me. Raise your hand. Yes, Rayhan. Rayhan is going to say something. Yes, Rayhan. Equal to. I said not the same numbers. I said same number of digits. So we cannot give equal. Yes, Tejasri. Tejasri, please wait, Aradhya. Tejasri, yes.
Equal. Ma'am, we need to look the third digit numbers are big or small. Smaller.
Third digit means, is there any more clarification? Yes, Anandita?
Ma'am, we have to check the first digit of the number.
First digit means the digit with highest place value. Okay, children, digit, that means we have to compare the digit in the first place means left side. That is the highest place value. Understood? So we have two rules, children. First, what we have to do? First, we will count the number of digits. The number with more number of digits, that number is greater. Or we can say the number with the less number of digits, that number is small. Okay. Then if both the numbers have same number of digits, what we have to do? You have to check the digit that is with the highest place value. Is that clear, children? Yes. Okay. Now listen to me. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn compare and ordering. So we are learning, children, that is 3.2, chapter 3.2, compare and ordering. Whole numbers means same numbers itself. We are going to compare and order numbers. Okay. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to discuss the rules. The greater the number of digits, the greater the number of digits, the greater the number. What is the meaning? Greater the number of digits. Look here, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 digits. Here I have only 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. So which one is having greater number of digits? Greater number? 4 digits.
4 digits.
4
digits.
So children, what have to do? We will use the crocodile mouth open to the bigger number. So here 324 is small. So that mouth is closed. Okay. So Ishan, can you read the rule? First one.
Yes, ma'am. The greater the number of the digits, the greater the number.
Yes, we can say the reverse also. Smaller the number of digits or lesser or fewer. Smaller the number of digits, what will happen? The number will be small. That also we can say small. Smaller the number of digits, the number will be small, or we can say greater the number of digits, that number is greater. Okay. Now, next rule. Rule 2. To compare two numbers with the same number of digits, we start comparing the digits from the largest place value. From where? From the
Largest
value. Children, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Okay. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 digits. So counting the number of digits, I am not able to compare. So what will I do? Here the also ones, hundred, thousand. So children, please revise. First, let me explain. Then I will call you. Okay. So here both the number of digits, both the number have same number of digits, that is 4 digits. So what will I do? I will check the number with the highest place value, that is from the left side. So which is the highest place value here? 1,000. I didn't ask number, I said place value. So 1,000. See, look here. 4 and 4 same. So what we have to do? We have to
go to 100 place.
the number in the 100 place. Okay. So children, first step what we have to do? We have to count the number of digits. The number with the greater number of digits, that number is greater. Then if both the numbers have same number of digits, what we have to do? We have to check the highest place value. If they are same, what we have to do? We have to go to the next highest place value. So here, which is the next highest place value?
100.
If they are same, what we have to do? If they are same,
We have to
10th place. Okay. If the 10th place are also same, what we have to do?
Ones place.
Ones place. If ones place also same, we can write
Equal.
Yes.
Equal.
If all the digits are same, what we have to do? We have to give equal symbol.
Equal.
Understood? Yes. Okay. Easy, no, children? I think you have studied this with the smaller numbers. Yes. So this is easy. Okay. So children, here we know this is thousands place. They are same 4 and 4. So what we have to do? Go to the hundreds place. 5. Here it is 6. So Nia, can you give me which number is greater?
6.
6 is greater than 5. So which number is greater? 4,000.
673.
73. So how will I place the symbol here? Crocodile mouth big open to the greater number. 4,676. And this number is small. Clear? Yes, children? So first what we have to do, remember the rules. No need to study by heart, but you know how to start comparing. So first what we will do, we will count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. The number with more number of digits, that number is greater. Now we see all the numbers have same number of digits. What we will do, we will start comparing from this place, highest place value. Highest place value means that start from left side. Yes. If that highest place value is same, what we have to do? Go to the next place. If that next highest place value is also same, then you can check the next. Okay, children. Understood? Is there any doubt?
No.
No. So can I give you some questions? Can you take out your rough book first?
Yes.
Rough book, all of you. I will give you 3 questions. What you are going to do? You are going to compare. You can use less than, greater than, or equal to symbols.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, answer only.
No, question also. Question also. Because here only 2 numbers. So what you have to do? See question, you have to write compare. This is the question. Very small question. You have to write.
Yeah.
Don't say the answers louder. I will give everyone.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
You cannot see the board. Who?
Andrea.
Andrea, network issue. Okay, Andrea, I will, after writing, I will check. After writing, I will, what I will do? I will stop share and write, show you again. What about others?
We can see, ma'am. We can see.
Okay.
We can see, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Question number. Compare using less than, greater than. Andrea, children, I will stop share and I will share one more time. Let me see. Andrea can see. Andrea, please check whether it
Ma'am,
can.
I can see.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Andrea. So can I just say the numbers? Can you
Yeah,
write
ma'am.
the book? Question number 1. 384. 384. 1846. This is question number 1. You had to use less than or greater. 1846. Then the second one, 11864, 11864 and 11329. 11329.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished. Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish. Finish.
Okay, let's call Zain Xavier. Zain Xavier.
Yes,
Give me the answer of question number 1. Which one is
ma'am. Ma'am, 1856.
yes, 1846 is greater. See children, here if you compare the first two digits, you will not get the answer. First, what do you have to start? How to compare? You have to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. But here only 1, 2, 3. So the number with greater number of digits, that number is greater. So the mouth open, that crocodile mouth open to the 4-digit number. Which is the 4-digit number? Can you read? 1000.
1846.
1846.
Yes. Now next, Benedict.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2.
Ma'am, 11,864.
That is greater. See children, here 1, I will check the first, what will I do? I will count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both are same number of digits.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll start with the highest place value. 10,000 place. Same. So what will I do? Go to the next.
We need to go to another place.
Thousands place. Thousands place also same. So what will I do?
We need to go to hundreds place.
Hundreds place. So here 8, here 3. So which one is bigger? 8 is
Eight.
bigger. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you got the answer, all of you.
Yes.
Now, next, Dave John, question number 3. Dave John.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is greater?
Ma'am, 46,700.
46,000. Count the number of digits.
Ma'am,
Ah.
45,809.
Which one you are saying the number?
4,679.
4,679.
Yes. So this is greater. So children, here again, I will count the number of digits. Both are 4-digit number. So I will check the first highest place. That is 4. Both are same. So I will check the hundreds place. 6 is greater. So which one is greater here?
4,679.
4,679.
Is that clear, children? All of you got correct answer? All
Yes,
3
ma'am.
questions correct?
Yes.
Raise your hand if you got all 3 questions correct. Yes. Okay, very good. Now, children, yes. Now we understood how to compare. Yes, we know which one is smaller, which one is greater. Now, after comparing, yes, Dave. Okay. After comparing, what we are going to do, we are going to arrange them. Now you have studied ascending order and descending order. Yes. Who can give me what is ascending order?
Ma'am, that is small number.
Smaller to
Arrange from small to
Bigger.
we are arranging or ordering the numbers from small to big. That is ascending. So what will be descending?
bigger to smaller.
Small. That means decreasing order. Okay, children. So listen carefully. D, that is descending, means it is decreasing. Down. It's going down. So that is D for decreasing. So that is descending order. So from small to big, ascending. That means increasing order. Now, what is a descending means? Decreasing order. Okay. So can I give you some numbers? Can you arrange in ascending?
Yes, ma'am.
So first what you will do? You will compare which one is small, which one is greatest. In between, what are the numbers? Then if you are arranging from small to big, that is ascending order. Back, descending. That is you have to arrange from big to small. Okay. So before writing the ascending, descending, you have to see which is the smallest and greatest. Okay. So I will give you one question. Okay, write, or we can say arrange in ascending order and descending order. You have to write the question. Okay, arrange the numbers Ascending and descending order. Okay, now I will give you 4 numbers. The number is
Don't write the question.
yes, you have to write the question. What is the question? Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. And I have given you how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first answer, you can write ascending order.
Ascending order, we need to put A, and descending order.
If you do like that also, no problem. Ascending order. And for descending, you can write descending order. First, you have to write ascending. Then you have to write descending. Okay, please wait. Let me ask. I will ask because I want all of you to do alone. After that only we'll discuss the answer. Only one question, so you can write it faster. Children completed?
No, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Okay. Rahul completed?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. One more minute. Some are writing, I can see. So I will give you 1 more minute. Adish completed?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Okay, wait.
Finish.
Ma'am, finish.
Ajwa completed? No.
Ma'am, mine is not finished. Finish. I'm finished.
Okay, children. Okay.
Not finished.
Those who not finished, I will give you 1 more minute. Do it fast. Only one question. If you write ascending order, how to write the descending? Just write backwards. It will not take much time. Just write backwards. Mohammad Izan completed?
Yes.
Yes. So we are going to discuss first now ascending order. Now for ascending order, what is ascending order, Mohammad?
Smallest to bigger.
Smallest to biggest. Okay. Now tell me which is the smallest number?
379.
Okay. Then
529.
yes. Then
4876.
4876.
38,746.
Yes, 746. So children, how to check these numbers? First, what we have to do, count the number of digits. Here 379 has how many digits? 3 digits. And next number 4876 have how many digits? It has 4 digits. So you know the number with the less number of digits, that is smaller. So in that smaller numbers we can consider first number, that is 3 and 5. So 3 is smaller. So which one is the smallest number? 379. So which is the next bigger one? That is 529. Now children, here look here, 4876 only 4 digit, but here 38746 we have 5 digit. So after writing 3 digit, we can write the 4-digit number, then 5-digit number. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Kalbi, can you give me the descending order? Descending. Which one we had to write first? Kalbi, can you unmute?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Kalbi is saying now. Yes, Kalbi, you can
Can I?
see the board. Yes.
Can I?
Yes.
Can I, Rahul?
Speaking. Children, please wait. I cannot
Hey,
hear.
Nobin.
Ma'am, can I, Rahul?
Wait. Bhagya.
Yes, ma'am.
Descending order.
3, 8, 7,
3,
4,
4,
6,
6. How to read this number? 38,000.
38,746.
Very good. Yes. Then
4876.
4876. How to read the number?
4876.
876. Yes. Then
529.
529. 529. Then
327.
379. Okay. 379. So children, if you finish writing ascending order, what do you have to do? The descending order, just start from the back. No, it will not take much time because we already written that from smallest to biggest. So the biggest number we can do, that is the opposite, that is backwards we have to write. Yes,
Ma'am, can
clear? All of you got the answer? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Is
No, ma'am.
ascending order means right from small to big. Descending, you have to do the backwards. Just write the reverse order. Clear, no? You can take your.
Ma'am, I write and finished everything.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
Math
I have a
workbook.
doubt.
Math workbook. Math workbook.
attendance.
Okay, Rehan. If you finish, please wait.
Ma'am, can you give one more question?
Take your math workbook. We have more questions there, no? Then, children, page number 22. Only 3 questions you are going to do now. Only 3. See number 1, 2, 3. Okay, sir. If you don't have it, when you get, you can take. Okay, we will discuss. You can do, and I will call one by one. Okay. Sheba Maria, can you read question number 1? Sheba?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is page number 22 from workbook. Can you read question number 1, Sheba?
Yes, ma'am. The largest number among.
So we had to find the largest from 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 1,
5, 3, 1, 2,
3,
and
2.
5, 1, 3, 2.
Okay, tell me which one is. One more number is there, no? 5, 3, 1, 2 also. 3, 1,
3, 2.
5, 3, 1, 2. 5, 1, 3, 2. Okay. Yes, which is your answer? Which one is greatest? Which one is largest?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
5,300.
Yes. See children, 5, 5 here, all same number. Then check the next one, which is the greatest. 5, 3, 1, 2. So option
B. Option B.
this one was to write here. Okay, so this is option question number 1. Option B is correct. Option B. Yes. Next question. Who is going to read? Asra, can you read? No book. Yes. Okay. You said no book. Question number 2.
Ma'am, Nobin.
Nobin, wait. Next question. Okay. Amrin, question number 2.
The following is
Yes, we have 1524, 1542, then 1566, 1516. Which is the smallest? Yes, Amrin. Tell me which is the smallest?
1516.
1516, the last one. Yes. So here, first two digits are same. So we will check the third digit. Okay. So option
D.
D. Option D is
D.
correct. Very good. Next. Sarah Anish, can you read question number 3?
Ma'am, Nobin.
Sarah. Okay, Nobin. Okay, Sarah. Next time. Nobin, faster.
Compare and choose the correct symbol in 3258 dash 4238.
Tell me, compare. Which one is correct answer? Option
A.
A. Yes, children. Here 3 same number of digits, 4 digits. So 3 is small, so we have to use less than. So option A is correct. Yes, children, all of you got this answer?
Yes.
So it's a time. So children, only 3 question. Rest of the things we can do in the next class. Yes.
Attendance.
Okay, children. Very easy, no? Is there any doubt?
No.
We will take the attendance.